Hi there, my name is Dora. I'm a format expert, and this video is to show you how to add a password to your site as well as to an individual page. To get started, you will need to go to Settings from the left side toolbar within your dashboard. Then click on Site, scroll down the page, and enter the password you wish to have for your site in the Site Password window over here. You will need to save changes. Once you go to View Your Site, you will see this Private Site page, which will prompt you to add your site's password. By adding the password and clicking Enter, you will then be able to access your site's content. Adding a password to an individual page is a similar process. You will need to go to Pages, click on the Edit button next to the page that you want to add the password for, where in the upper right hand side corner you will see the option to change your page visibility. Once you click on the drop down menu, you will see the Private option. If you click on the button next to it and enter your password, then save changes, your page will become private. Once again, if you click on the View Site button, you'll be able to see this private page window, which will prompt you to add your page's password. Click on the Submit button to then be able to see your site's content. I hope this has been helpful to you. Please do feel free to reach out to us via chat. The chat icon is located in the lower right hand side corner of your screen here, or via email at info@format.com if you have any questions.